So here's my Google Drive, and I have using this program for a while. As you can see, there are already a lot of folders I've created, and there are several docs I have done. So you can see there's PDF and then Excel. There are even PowerPoints, and I believe see their images and also videos that I have saved on it. And here is the folder I've created specifically for our EDCI 270 class. And within that, I have created several folders, one for documents, one for pictures, and then another for video resources. And I can share them. I can basically share the entire folder through here if I just click share, and then add whoever the person's email address I want to share, and it will send a link to the person so the person can access my folder. And then also if I want to create, let's say, a Google Doc, I could do it through here if I just click it. And then there will be the Google Doc I have created, and then I'll name it EDCI for now. And then I believe it should already show right here. Just wait, yeah, so you see there's the EDCI document I just created. And then if I just repeat the same procedure, I could create a Google Doc, create a Google Sheets. There's also Google Slide I could do, and there's also more. So yeah, that's it.